Your name?
Eunice Inoue.
And we are at CalArts.
Yes.
Okay. What is this installation about?
So the installation, the thesis showed is called Intertwined, and the Japanese name is called Nejire. So it's like a lot to do with the fabric, the way it's being twisted, the process of being twisted. It really reminds me of how like life is going for me these days, and twisting it and folding the fabric within like into one piece. It like makes me feel like I'm trying to get everything together and trying to grow, and it becomes stronger as a rope itself, and everything is intertwined within each other, as well as like the paintings are also like has to do a lot to do with my emotional like state, where I'm trying to be better, but sometimes it doesn't work. It's like there's good side and bad side, but there's also like gray zone for that, and it's like very intertwined.
Do these have to do with your culture and the American culture in any way?
I think it has my background culture, which is I'm from Japan, so like each one of them is based off a Japanese idioms, like the paintings, and the paintings are related to the ceramic pieces that I have, and then they're kind of like I'm trying to make a world out of it instead of and I don't feel like I have one culture in me, so it's very mixed culture almost. It's my last year.
This is your last year.
Yeah.
So what's next for you?
I'm trying to get a some sort of intern for like galleries and stuff, but hopefully being able to showcase my artworks. But,
Do you have a studio space? Do you have a social media where people can find you and can see more your work?
yeah, I have an Instagram page. I haven't really been posting it, but I will be posting about these shows and more new work.
Are you available for commissions?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Well, if you want to send a message to the new generation of artists that come behind you, what will you do?
Honestly, just experience everything, because I feel like being here for like after moving from Japan and here and seeing what other art people and then does, and it really like improved me like without like knowing. Like I don't think it's kind of like what's it called, I felt like I wasn't doing enough, but I think internally there was like a lot of experience was happening, and then just don't worry about how much you're not doing, because it will come into something in the future. I think, I don't know.
No, it is true.
Yeah.
In my experience as an artist, art comes with practice. When you're making art, that's where the ideas are come in. Many people wait for the ideas to come in before they start creating.
Yeah,
So you need to create,
yeah.
and while you're creating, then you have better ideas.
Yeah.
And so, and when I saw this installation, I was blown away.
Oh, thank you so much.